I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to check the lid lock on a Maytag washer that isn't spinning or agitating. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a multimeter and a 1/4 inch nut driver. Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water. We're going to be checking for live voltage, and to do that we'll need the washer's power on, so please be very careful here. Always take extreme care when checking live voltage so you can protect yourself from electric shock, which has the potential to cause serious injuries. Don't ever test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. We're going to grab the 1/4 inch nut driver and remove the screws from the rear console cover. This will help us access the main control panel to take a look at the lid lock connections. Once that is finished, you want to pull out your manual to help test this diagnostic. Look for diagnostic test modes and you should find where it says lid lock. Most manuals are found in the back of the top panel. With this done, we're going to set our meter to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line, and testing the connection J15 from the yellow wire at pin 1 to the white wire at pin 3 for 120 volts AC. When we press start, we should see 120 volts and hear the lid lock. If the voltage was measured but the lid didn't lock, as we see here, then the lid lock assembly has failed. If the lid is locked, then we can press start again for it to unlock. Once you're finished, lift the panel up and put it back into position. Then grab your 1/4 inch nut driver and put the 6 screws back to hold the top back panel into place. Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on. If your lid lock tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be preventing your washer from agitating and spinning. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. If your lid lock tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.